Let's try to understand the conditional operator, which is also called as a ternary operator in JavaScript. We have written a simple scenario here where we are having a score and a variable. We are also having a remark where we need to confirm like the student is passed or the failed by using some if else statement. So right now the score is more than 50. So we should get into the if block here and our remark will become passed. If it is below that, then we should get the remark called failed. Let's see how it works. We are getting a past one here, and let me just reduce it to 40. Then this condition will fail and will go inside an else block. Perfect. Now let's try to build the same scenario with ternary operator, the conditional operator. So what we can do and simplify this expression. So instead of writing this long code, I can simply write a ternary operator here itself. So I can say, this is my condition. This is my condition. I'll add it to brackets. And now, if this condition comes to true, let's return passed. If this condition is becoming false, let's return failed. It's super simple scenario. What we are doing, firstly, we are giving a condition. If this is true, the first block will get executed and it will return the first block. If this condition is false, then it will return the second block. That's it. So this is how in a simple one line, we can perform an equivalent operation that we are doing here. Let's try to see the outcome. It's working or not. It passed because 90 is greater than 50, it becoming true, and it is returning as passed. And we are making it 40 here. The condition we are writing is becoming false, and in that case, it is returning us the failed statement. And then we are getting failed in remark. Okay, now what's the difference and why exactly it is called as operator? It's not looking like an operator because it's looking something like if else statement, but actually it's an operator. Let's prove that. For example, I'm having a value here, for example, n 4 plus 5. So what exactly this plus symbol here? So plus symbol is an operator because it's adding these two numbers and giving us return addition. It's important to understand it is returning something. This expression returns something. If I give here into symbol, what exactly this into? It's an operator which is performing a multiplication between these two operators and returning us a multiplication. So at the end, there is only one output out of this expression. So the conditional operator is also the same way, except the conditional operator will have three inputs to it. All the general operator like plus, minus, into, division, all will have the only two operator, but the conditional operator will have two symbols and three inputs into it. So this is how we are proving it's an operator. And at the end of the execution of this operator, you can also confirm it is returning as a single value. Either it will return as passed or it will return as failed. So this is how we confirm it's an operator. We can also write a ternary operator in a nested way. For example, let me just uncomment this scenario. So here where the score is greater than 50, we are just saying passed. But I want to make it more deeper by writing if the score is greater than 90. So I want to add a remark here that is not just pass, it's excellent. And else I want to add only passed. So this is how I'm creating a nested block here, where if the score is greater than 50, again I need to perform one more operation and need to confirm it's greater than 90, then say excellent, otherwise just say passed. So how to build that scenario? Same here. To do that, let's understand. Firstly, we are having only two blocks. This is our positive block, which is the true statement for the score greater than 50, and this is our false statement. Inside which particular block we need to do this? We need to do inside the first block, that is score is greater than 50, a true block. In our case, we are having that block over here. So now instead of returning this past, we need to return excellent or the past. That's only the difficulty. We shouldn't change anything for the failed one. because here also you can see we are not changing anything to that. Now here we need to again perform the ternary operator. So what we will do, we'll just say here, or better I'll add score. If it is greater than 90, then again a ternary operator, and here I'll say excellent. Otherwise, I'll say fast. Let's see with, with more detail what's happening. First of all, if your score is, for example, it's 95. So your first statement is returning true. That's perfect. So we need to execute this complete block that we have highlighted. If my score is below 50, let's say 40, this will return me false, and I need to execute only the final else block, and I'll just get the failed statement. So in this case, I'm having 95. Okay, so when I'm having a 95 here, I'm going into the first block. When I'm going there, again, there is a ternary operator, so I need to resolve it. So let's perform this condition execution again. If the score is greater than 90, yes, it is greater than 90. So it's saying that you take excellent. If my score is, for example, 92, so in that case, it will say me, you take just passed. So what will happen now? We are getting excellent when it is greater than 90, and we're just getting passed when it is less than 90. So it is equal to, for example, firstly, this expression will get executed. So when I'm having 92, the score is greater than 90. Yes, we are having 90. So we should get excellent. So the output of this complete ternary operator, it will be excellent. So output of this complete ternary operator will be excellent like this. And here we'll get an outcome excellent. Let's see. We should get excellent here. Yes. So here it is greater than 90. So the expression is getting resolved firstly to this, and we are getting excellent. And again, if I make it, for example, just 82 like this, so in that case, this expression will fail and it will say false. In that case, we'll just guess pass. So the complete expression, the output will be just passed, and we'll be able to see the passed inside our output. So this is how the ternary operator simplifies your work when you're writing general if-else statement, and even if you need to write the if-else in a nested way.